Mzansi, thank you for tuning into Everything SA. We all know Gucci, we bring you the latest sports updates. And on this one, we got you. Pizzo gives Mbule Orlando Pirates an ultimatum. Sipho Mbule, ex-coach Pizzo, says Sipho Mbule has his last chance here at Orlando Pirates and he should grab this opportunity by both hands. We all know Gucci Sipombule was on loan from Mamelodi Sundowns to Skukune, and he was released by disciplinary off the field issues. But now Orlando Pirates gave Sipombule his last chance. Sipombule is coach Piso Mukwena says the gifted midfielder has one last chance at Orlando Pirates after bouncing around several clubs in South Africa and battling with off-field issues. The 27-year-old is back in the fold for Bafana Bafana. Can Master Chef deliver? Mbule's youth coach says Orlando Pirates is his last chance to fulfill his promise. Sipombule's youth coach Pitso Mokwena believes this is the last chance for the playmaker to fulfill the promise that his massive talent has been promising since he was a teenager. Mbule was a team superstar at the now difficult Supersport United development in peril to Sundowns Tebogo Mokoena. I told Sipo that he knows the youth about Supersport United, Sundowns, and Skukuni. I don't want to know the stories, but I told him this is the last chance you are getting at Pirates. Mukwena also reflected on the midfielder's rapid rise from the academy prospect before building a name for himself at Supersport United and later earning a big money move to Mamelodi Sundowns in 2022. We all know Guti Sundowns grabbed Sipombule and he was one of the promising players that a lot of teams were looking for the player. He moved from the academy to Supersport United, who were big team from there. Even after the same pattern and complaints, he moved to Sundowns. Mukwena recalled he didn't go down, but he went up. I said to him, maybe that's why when you arrived at Supersport, you didn't see anything wrong because you joined Sundowns and you thought you were still big and you went to Skukune and you did the same thing. I told Sipombule he's now at Pirates and he went up again because Chiefs were also looking for him. I said, this is your last chance, and I don't want to see you flopping at Pirates and then going back to Chiefs or one of the big teams because you will definitely go down. I hope he's listened. Let's see what Mbule will give us. Sipho Mbule has made a stunning career start to his career with Orlando Pirates. However, old habits die hard despite getting his hands on the MTN 8 title already this term. The 27-year-old playmaker the 27-year-old playmaker has so far failed to register a single goal or assist in 14 appearances for the Sea Robbers. It might be justified to claim that Mbule lacks killer instinct at the sharp end of the pitch. Let me know, Guti, what do you think about this news down below the comment section? Do you think the player is definitely Orlando Pirates material, Maganjani? From your boy Isaac by So Nice, ngithi hawe ma. Kodwa sithi qim. Shelele.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is